Hi friends, welcome to Azar Media channel, the channel that make you a better video editor. Today, I will cover how to create a vertical sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro for Instagram Reels or TikTok videos. Let's jump to it. First of all, if you want to create vertical videos for Instagram or other social media, I suggest recording vertically. It's very easy to edit. Or if you pre-record it horizontally, then let's make it vertical. First, go to the File menu, New, and click Sequence. From the New Sequence window, under the available presets, choose the preset that matches the device you recorded with. Then select your resolution and frame rate. I uploaded a video about this. Click the link above to watch it if you are not familiar with it. Because I'm recording on DSLR 1080p and 25 fps or frame rate per second, I choose DSLR, and for resolution and frame rate I choose 1080p 25 fps. This gives me the 16:9 aspect ratio, but I don't want that. I want the 9:16 aspect ratio. To change it, in the new sequence window, click the settings. In the video section, just replace the frame size horizontal amount with the vertical and the vertical amount with the horizontal one. Also, you can save this setting as preset for your further use. Just click the Save Preset button and give it a name, something like vertical video. Then click OK. It appears in the available presets under the custom. Now you can use it anytime you want. Now click OK, then you have a vertical sequence. Up here, if you find the video helpful, please like and share the video. Write your opinion in the comments and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to receive a notification when I upload a new video. Now import your video and click Keep Existing Settings. As you can see, the clip aspect ratio is not matching the sequence aspect ratio because the video was recorded horizontally and the sequence was made vertically. Some areas of the video are outside the scene. So let's fix that. First, let's decrease the scale of the clip to see the entire scene. Then I will adjust it according to the scene ratio. Let's watch the video first and decide which part of the scene we want to show up. I want to show the yellow clothed girl first, then I will show up the next white clothed girl, and lastly I will show the yellow clothed girl again. To do this, first increase the scale of the video to fill the entire scene. Then change the position of the video to bring the girl to the middle of the scene. Now watch what happened when I play the video. As you can see, the girl goes out of the scene sometimes. I will fix it by some keyframing. If you are not familiar with the keyframing, I have a video about that in my channel. Please click the link at the top right corner of your screen to watch that video. That's all. Your vertical video is ready to export and post on social media. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.